degrees, minutes, and seconds. So here is our example problem. This is what is given to us. So here's what's given. If angle ABC is a right angle and is 90 degrees, and the measurement of ABD is 67 degrees, 21 minutes, and 37 seconds, what is the measurement of DBC? So we're in sort of a little problem because it's giving us the degrees, the minutes, and the seconds for angle ABD, and what we want to try and find is right here, the angle of DBC. So basically, we have to understand that angle ABC is a right angle, and ABD is this thing right here. Therefore, what we can do is, if we want to find DBC, we have to subtract ABC by ABD. So here is ABC, and we have to subtract that by ABD. The measurement for ABC, since it's 90 degrees, we're going to say 90 degrees, 60 minutes, and 60 seconds, referring to our format for our answers that we want. So this is what it looks like. And for the other one, 67 degrees, 21 minutes, and 37 seconds goes right under here. So now what we have to do is we have to subtract the two. So the way we subtract the two is very similar to the subtraction algorithm method. So do you remember in your younger years of mathematics where you had to subtract 12 by 9, or if you had to subtract by what should we say, 36, and we should say 19. Well, we do the same thing with this one, but instead of starting from the right, we have to start from the left, since we have degrees that can be transferred to minutes, which can be transferred to seconds. So starting out here, since we have a 0 and a 7, we want to change it down a bit. So cross out that 90 and turn it into an 89. So now we say 89, subtract that by 67, that will be 22 degrees. Just like this one, the 60, you don't want to have a 0, so basically, we're going to put it into a 59. Cross out the 60 minutes, now 59 minus 21 is going to be 38. 38 minutes. And this one you can leave okay. And that just becomes 23 seconds. The reason why we just did that is, instead of starting at the right, we start at the left. But we have to go toward the right last remaining digit of that number. Then we subtract in 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So by subtracting ABC and ABD, we'll be able to get DBC. And guess what we got? We got this as a measurement right here. So we have 22 degrees, 38 minutes, and 23 seconds. That is our measurement for angle DBC. So now we figured out what that question mark was. If we have subtracted them, we can also add them too. But adding can be a lot easier. Here's an example. So we have to add 37 degrees, 15 minutes, 28 seconds, and 41 degrees, 16 minutes, and 37 seconds. But we do it just like we're subtracting. But this time, we do the same method by adding. So we start at the first number on the left with the digits right here. So 7 plus 1 is 8. And 3 plus 4 is 7. 78 degrees. With the minutes, 15 minutes plus 16 minutes is 31 minutes. And for this one right here, 28 seconds plus 37 seconds is going to become 65 seconds. But there's a problem. A clock can only have 60 seconds in 1 minute. Therefore, we're going to have to do some tributing. And we're also going to have to do some carrying. Since the 65 can have an entire 1 minute right here, we can cross out the 6 and turn it into a 0. Now we have to add by 1 onto the 31, indicating that we took away 60 seconds to add 1 minute into the minute section. So here's our final answer. 78 degrees, 32 minutes, because we added that plus 1, and 5 seconds. That is how we can add them too. And that is also how we can understand the angles on a clock. This can also be known as DMS notation, because it studies degrees as D, M as minutes, and S as seconds. DMS notation. I hope this video has helped you understand the angles on a clock. Thank you for watching Taoping Your Life's Math Industry. Like and subscribe.